During this time of the year, it is the best time to incorporate new recipes, especially new exciting recipes good for the summer, low in calories, high in protein, innovative, interesting, get new habits like walking, juicing, and just what I've been eating to help me to lose weight recently. And I think they will help you if you are interested in getting healthier during this time of the year. I usually start my day with a cup of shilajit raisin tea. This has been a game changer and I've shared this before. It's giving me a lot of energy, brain clarity, help my hormones, and a lot of other things like digestion and gut health improvement. I have this in the morning with an empty stomach with a cup of tea first thing, and I love to go for my walks. This is something that I have incorporated recently, and honestly, it's been the best health decision I've ever made. So just wait to see the results. Well, I'm starting after I've come back from my walk. I'll soak my veg. I'm just making a very small selection of green juices. I use apple cider vinegar and bicarbonate of soda to wash it before I start. So let's start the day. Hello. How are you all doing? My name is Lua and welcome to my vlog. I'm going to be sharing what I eat in a day. It's about 2 o'clock, really strict, and I have been walking my legs off, like literally walking my legs off. I think I just showed you guys what I ate, but I was so hungry that my Greek yogurt, I forgot I was starting a vlog, so I just filmed putting my chia seeds, and I had a last meeting, so I just woofed that, and I'm so hungry. That's what I started my day with. I have not shown you guys any of my juicing videos in a while, but you know what I always juice, green juices, which I'll share. It's already soaked in salt, in vinegar, and bicarbonate of soda. I think I showed you guys at the beginning of this video when I came downstairs. And I'll juice that, I'll cook for the family. So of course I'm a mom, I'm a wife, yes, and I'm a fitness enthusiast, obviously, so I have to cater for everybody. And I'm a daughter. My parents have been around with me for a while, so I'm just going to finish this. I have to go for my walk because I have 2 walks during the day, by the way. And this walking, if anybody has advised you to go for a walk, take them serious. People keep talking about walk, and I was at the gym, but since I started walking and doing at least 10 to 12,000 steps a day, this your girl is a different person. I'm not going to talk too much. I'll let you guys watch. In the morning and when at night, I do 6,000 and 6,000 through different routes around. During the week, I try not to indulge. I try to have meals low in carbs, and I have one cheat day on the weekend. So I'm going to eat something different. Anyway, it's very rude of me. How are you all doing? If it's the first time you've seen this black beauty, don't make it your last. I do videos on self-improvement, my weight loss journey, tips, like a busy mom, and just vlogs, everything in between. And please, if you enjoy this vlog at the end, subscribe. I might not really talk to you guys like this again, just be cooking, showing what I eat. And yeah, this is my first meal that I was taking at 1, and I'll probably try to eat between 1 to 4 today, so I don't have much time because it's 3 o'clock. I've got an hour to go for a 30 minutes walk and make myself a very quick salad, which will be seafood, and maybe later I'll have some juice. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Consuming green juices has an immense benefit to your system. It's very high in nutrients, especially things like vitamin C and E, zinc and iron, and will help to protect against infection, diseases. I normally use celery, I use cucumber, sometimes I use kale, but a staple is ginger. I would always add some limes and lemon for vitamin C, and it's very hydrating as well. So it will keep you well hydrated, will help your digestive system and inflammation. For somebody like me who's been walking, it's getting used to this on my body, and it's really helped with any sort of injuries. And of course, my skin is glowing. But more importantly, people use this for weight loss because yes, it's high in vitamin C. It would help to absorb more nutrients, and it could speed up your metabolism. So I usually juice this once every week and have it in the morning or in the evening like a snack. and you cannot go wrong. It tasted beautiful because I added some apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, they say. It tastes so good. In fact, this time it actually tastes better because I put in some green apples. It's such a refreshing drink. And I'll go and cook my lunch. It's 2 o'clock, or I think almost 3. So I'll start with chili. I don't check with my chilies. Onion seasoning. I just have some garlic here, some ginger. I don't have garlic. What a shame. I just realized. And then I'll put a bit of mustard. A bit of mustard. I love mustard. I could blend it, but I like to have it like that. And I'll give that a good mix. A bit of yogurt, Greek yogurt, to lock the moisture in. And then I'll put some veg seasoning. It smells so good. Some seasoning. Oh my god. I'll let this soak and then I'll put it in the air fryer. But before that, I put some of my pesto sauce. And now let this go into the fridge. Chicken breast is good and it's very, very lean. So it's high in protein but lean, but most people struggle because it could be very dry. So this method where I soak it in all my seasoning, especially the Greek yogurt, soak it for about 2-3 hours, sometimes overnight. It gives it the moisture, it gets retained, and it stays tasty. Look at that. You can't beat that. When the weather gets warm, I think of salads, but not just salads. I like salsas, sweet salads. I either use mangoes or pineapples, and sometimes I can add things like avocado to make it like a guac. But this time I just wanted to keep it simple, so I used some very, very sweet mangoes, sliced my onions, but I soaked it in vinegar to remove the tangy raw taste, as well as chopped my tomatoes, gave it a good mix, added some lemon, some pepper, salt, and that was my salsa. I gave it the sweet kick. I cut some bell peppers, and of course added my salsa and my chicken breast. And I had a few days worth, 2 days, and I had some so actually 3 days worth of lunch and a healthy salad. Low in calories, so each of these bowls is not over 400 calories, but it tasted delicious. Sometimes the challenge is just getting a healthy snack to bite on every now and then, which is not high in calories but tasty. You don't want to deprive of yourself, but at the same time you want to be careful. Anyway, this is something that I've been cooking or baking recently. I use bananas, so no processed sugars, so you can be sure that your calories are on check. It's tasty. So I just soaked some oats. I use old-fashioned roll oats in milk of your choice. If you prefer almond milk or non-dairy milk, that's fine. I beat 2 eggs. I let the oats soak in the milk for about 20 minutes. Add 2 eggs, and then I add the bananas that I had mashed earlier on. Give it a good mix, and then I add a spoon of baking powder. Mix that thoroughly together. And of course, the star is I use natural cocoa powder, organic, which has no processed sugars, just to give it that cocoa flavor. And honestly, guys, this recipe, try it and you'll be wondering where you've been. Where have I been, you'll be asking. So to think that you have no sugars or no salts, but you can come up with something so delicious, it beats my imagination. Why we don't have more of this, especially for you, my girlies, trying to watch your weight and you don't want to have a brownie, this could act like one. Honestly, once it's ready, I'll give you some tips of how to eat it and not regret. But I top it up with some nuts. I did not have I wanted to use a different kind of nut, but I had just Brazil nuts. So I just, cut that and topped it up with it. Because of course nuts are again high in protein, they have their own benefits nutrition wise, and I baked this for 30 minutes on 180. I have some dark chocolate, guys. This is not compulsory, but dark chocolate is good because my mom lives with me and she has this. Dark chocolate could help you with like your blood pressure, hypertension, so I use that and I'll just garnish it on top. Ooh, this, guys, my mouth is really watering just watching it again. And I try to bake this once a month, keep it in the fridge. I actually baked 2. I'm only showing you one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how good it looks. So think that there's no sugar, no flour, just good raw oats, some bananas, some milk, and this is it. Look at that. Oh. If you try this, share and let me know what you think. I'm so proud of my mom who has embraced walking. I'll let you guys hear her.
How many steps have you done today?
Wow, today I've done 11,449. 11,449.
Wow. What's your goal? What do you want to achieve?
The other day, 2 days ago, I did 10,000, above 10,000. I thought that was my goal, the goal of it, the target. But now it's like I can go further. I've done 11,000, so my goal should be about 12,000. If I do 12,000 steps a day, that would be fantastic.
I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. And keep encouraging my mom, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.